Kevin, like you said, valves open. Dude, I've wanted to hear this for such a long time, the Aventador. Guys, here's my friend Kevin Parker. That's the fab speed, he's got it on.
Let me go over here and try to get something down.
I told you he leaves early. Guys, Graham! Oh shoot.
Hey, can you take video of mine too?
Me?
By chance? Are you able to do both? So I need to get shots. Alright.
Here, just
Take
click.
it on pause. Wait, your hand's
Hold.
in it.
Oh god.
Okay. Alright.
Right here. Three cameras at a time.
Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Follow me, guys. Sounds just as good as I imagined. Literally. Oh my gosh, did you? Run! Whoa, look at this Turbo S. What's up, dude? Oh, crap.
Oh gosh.
Told ya. Ha ha ha. Bruh.
Oh crap.
Those mufflers are sick. Dude, that just looks so cool. Like, it's an older Viper, but it's just nice, bro.
That is
Oh crap. This is loud, dude.
no. I told you.
Bro.
Dude.
That I've seen a similar wrap to that one. Like, I have a picture of one. I saw one at Zaxby's.
I'm not still won't be able to get the picture. Nope.
That's a Boss Seer too. Graham just. Oh god. Oh. Don't those sound good,
Bro,
dude?
She was giving us a middle finger.
Doesn't that sound good, dude? Subi made it. Because, like, you already have pictures of them, probably. This is a Z01. I've seen it at my church car show. This thing rips.
There's this guy on YouTube, he's like, right turn, he's like, alright bro, you said you drift, how much was like,
how many times he has to replace the bumper.
Keep scraping.
Wait.
I already got. Woo! Hey, I'm sorry, Kevin, if this is a bad shot on your phone. I'm just trying to help you out a little bit, dude. What?
Somebody yelling at the windows.
I can't cover my ear, so this will. Texas, dang. Here.
Oh, God, my.
Oh, it's right.
We got a race in the building.
Risa!
No, Uncle Ben's.
He is Uncle Ben's.
I guess they don't know what
There we go. That's not even a. That's just a regular Challenger, dude. No, that's an RT. I saw it.
Wait for it.
Skirt, skirt.
Oh,
That sounds great, dude. Like crazy.
oh my god.
Dude, this is sick. I got an acceleration of this thing. It is loud, bro. Oh yeah. That's not. I don't even know if that's a Rouse exhaust. That's a regular exhaust, isn't it? Not that. I don't think that. That's not. That is an Isabel.
Use your headphone warning.
This is that Eco Boost. It won't be too loud, but it'll be just cool.
It looks like Teddy's car.
Oh, that's a GT.
Somebody rolls up to me with a train horn.
You know that guy named Mark with the the green Mustang?
Yeah.
There's a super turbo here last time, and that 360 Montana had a customized exhaust like JR Garage had it on.
Oh, here comes the Corvette.
I hope it doesn't get in your shot, Kevin. I think this is Z06, yeah. With the crazy looking wing and the stripe. Peep that Dodge Journey though, bro. Corvettes sound good, they're not too loud though.
Sorry, guys. I just name them. I don't call it.
Yeah, and you better. Oh, never mind. I'll talk to you about it in a minute.
I can fly gun.
Oh yeah, there was this. Dude, guys, this is loud. Oh, never mind. This isn't the one. I'm gonna stop filming. But
Please don't crash. I'm not okay, don't scrape these.
Moss 911 and Aventador. Oh shoot, this will be loud. SVT, dude. That's a nice SVT, my dude.
It's not worth it.
Yeah, guys, so I'm actually talking in this video, and I'm here with my friend Kevin. What's up? He's got 65 subscribers, so unsubscribe to him. Just kidding. Subscribe to him. Yeah, I am.
Subscribe to me then.
I did subscribe to you. What's your Gamer TV? What's it called? Worldwide Gamer TV. That's his channel. I put the links in the description for everyone I hung out with today. Yo, I thought I was coming from over there. Dang, that SVT. WRXs are crazy, dude. Especially the older ones that are.
There's a Tesla.
Tesla. Hey, that's where we're going today. Later.
Yeah.
We're going to the new.
Don't run into me. The Mustang.
Oh, dude, this looks sick, bro.
Oh yeah, I know, dude.
He's loud.
V8 or.
Yes, sir.
Got my V10 Mustang.
Oh.
Whoa. Who is that revving? That sounds delicious. Hey, that's where we're going later today. Tesla dealer. Let's get a launch of that thing. Hey.
That way? I think it's that way, right? Yeah.
Yep, I told you. It gives you that rev. Told you it gives you a little rev, Kevin. Hey, take a picture of that Prius, Kevin. Man, the wing on that thing just looks sick, dude. This thing will give it a bit.
Wait, you were here.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, I was here on 150th. I'm not like Chris, where I don't really like it when you talk. Yeah, I was here with you guys. Remember when the McLaren was here and those 2 Lambos? I overreacted. I'll tell you. T4. You're getting some good shots today. I think you're good, dude. Oh, that is a Z06.
Oh, look at that car, it's so fast.
Stock minivan. Stock minivan. Get a pit.
Wait, what? Dude, that thing a pop.
Oh yes, I wanted to film this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Here come the cops. Uh-oh.
Oh, no. I wonder if they'll pull them. Ooh. Puppies.
Look, they usually go over there, like, and just watch. Dude, look, oh my God. That Challenger, bro. That Challenger, bro.
I'm standing in my protection. Oh, there's a scooter.
Challenger's scared. Oh, look at that BMW, dude.
I waved, but he didn't wave back.
Woo!
Oh. 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 Ooh. Need light. Yeah.
What is that, a Z4? That's just a Z4, wow. Dude, the police is leaving. Let's go.
That's supercharged.
Dude, the police is leaving. Let's go. Bye, police.
You
guys
so loud.
You guys did a good job. Woo! That was loud, bro.
I feel sorry for like cold. I got my camera out.
I thought that was an M6, that like gangin', bro.
Oh,
This is an RT shaker. This is an RT shaker.
first car.
First car, Kevin. Huh? Question mark? First car, question mark, for you, Kevin?
I like the C4 better. Wow. He might crash. Be careful.
Skyline.
If he drifts, he crashes. I bet you that he drifts.
I told you guys it's starting to get crazy. Now they're starting to leave, Kevin.
Oh, he didn't drift. That's lame.
Ah, that Corvette's sick. Clean. Ah, that stung my ear a bit, bro. I can't wait till Mark and Travis leave with the Mustangs. Mark has the green one.
And Chris.
You're still yet to meet my mom.
Small.
Yeah, I know. You're still yet to meet my mom, dude. Oh! Ah, no, I thought that was a Viper, bro. Dude, I think this is the guy that ripped it like crazy last time. Yes!
Yeah, Mission Barbecue?
He crashed at Mission Barbecue?
That's the Corvette.
Oh, hey, Derek!
What?
Hi, Derek! Hi, Derek! Good to meet you.
What did he say?
He said it didn't bring blue out today.
I'm getting away.
I think. I'm not sure.
Oh. I think I might.
Dude, listen to this. Woohoo!
Wait,
Slow vet.
the one that crashed out.
How do you? Oh, you just repaired it, I guess, huh? Yeah, dude, he drifted a little and he went so crazy.
Out, Derek!
No, he was the one that just went.
Like,
No, he just went. He just left. He's in the. Oh, we still have the Lotus over there.
you probably would though.
Even in a Sonata.
How many people has his car?
I think it was Ratchet Ray's car. I told you! I told you! You should have filmed it!
You won't. No, the accelerator, Chris. That's why I think Chris is here. I haven't wanted to.
That is a bad one?
Good opportunity to film some stuff right here. Got to know all the trips.
Honk honk! Dang it, he's gonna get those shots! Woo!
Oh my god, I never thought.
Watch the stang, dude, listen. Woo!
That's so late. You seriously the Mustang just beat that?
Got this McLaren just pulled up.
Gotta get the shot. Oh, that's fun.
Challenger! Oh yeah! Film it, hey! Woo! Hey, here goes the... Dude, a Challenger and a loud Mustang's leaving. Dude, for Chris's sake, we're gonna run all the way down there to watch his acceleration. All right, dude, watch. Woo! We want to see Chris leave. His friend who has a really crazy Mustang. Woo! He rips it like crazy, dude. What did I tell you, bro?
How do you have that much power and like not really?
Sick Challenger next.
You know what to do?
That's a oh! Yes!
Oh yeah.
Woo! Okay, now it's starting to get